G'day, I'm Colin from Knog.
And this is the Bandicoot 250. The Bandicoot 250 is a multi-purpose adventure-ready silicon headlamp. It's rechargeable, lightweight, dust-proof, waterproof, and designed to ensure intuitive use while providing form-fitting comfort. Producing a serious output of 250 lumens, the Bandicoot 250 offers an impressive 5-hour runtime on full power and 105 hours on the lowest setting. The LEDs are optimally placed for their individual purposes. A high beam for distance, an elliptical beam for mid and wide beam angles, a red light for night purposes, and downlights for reading. Within each mode there are 4 brightness settings. On the brightest setting, the Bandicoot 250 has a range of up to 75 meters. To turn your Bandicoot 250 headlamp on, simply press and hold the right button. Lightly pressing the right button will cycle through the 4 pre-programmed modes: spot, wide, red, and reading light. A short press of the left button will cycle through the intensity. A long press of the front button will turn the Bandicoot 250 headlamp off. An outstanding feature of the design is having the USB-A connector integrated into the lighting pod, which means no cables to lose or break. To recharge the Bandicoot 250, simply plug the light pod into a USB-A port and you'll have a full charge in just 4 hours from flat. The Bandicoot 250's body and strap are molded in medical grade silicon. It's durable, extremely comfortable, and easy to clean. The strap adjusts with a toggle. Once you've found your size, you can set and forget or adjust on the fly. Now, all that's left to do is explore.